This is the brand new DJI Power 1000. It's a 1024 watt-hour battery that can output up to 2800 watts peak, 2200 watts continuous, and has a ton of cool features like being able to charge by solar panels and fast charge DJI drone batteries. So let's get this thing opened up. Now, something that I really like about this battery so far is there's no big charging brick. A lot of other batteries require this big, 2000 watt inverter or something like that. You can just plug this battery straight into the wall with a standard power connector. And it's awesome that it comes with one. So as far as inputs and outputs go, we can just turn on the battery by pressing this knob right here. There we go. And then if we want to start outputting power, we can just tap on the AC button right there, and it will turn these outlets on. Now, it does also have two USB-A's and then two USB-C's. These USB-C ports can output up to 140 watts. So you can fast charge a laptop or something like that at max speed without the need for an additional brick on the side, which is awesome. Now, there is an additional plug here, and this is the one that you use to charge it, so you can just plug in right there. And then these are your two solar ports or DJI fast charging adapters for drone batteries and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it for this battery. It's just a simple battery, turn it on, turn the power on, and it works. Now, something cool about this though is that it uses LFP cells, which are great for high cycle use. So they're not quite as dense as some other types of cells, but they last a lot longer. What this means is you can charge this thing up to 80%, 100%, and just let it sit in your garage and it will be fine. And that is awesome for long-term use. A lot of people buy this type of battery just for like camping, or maybe if you're using it to charge devices, maybe you're shooting a video and you need to power your lights. This can do all that, but you don't want to keep normal batteries charged up to 100% all the time. They'll slowly lose capacity, and that's not good. So this battery has LFP cells, which basically eliminates that issue. And they can also are rated for 4,000 cycles, which is awesome. So high quality cells that will last a long time. You don't have to worry about degrading if you leave a charge in them. So that's pretty much it as far as the features go. It's just a simple battery pack. If you want to pick up this battery or the Power 500, the smaller version of it, check out my links in the description below. It helps support the channel and you make sure to get the right product. Alright, that's gonna be about it, but before we go, I want to tell you about our sponsor, Artlist. If you're a content creator like myself on YouTube, or even have a large production company, you're going to need stock assets like music, sound effects, and footage, and Artlist is the best place to get that. With different plans starting with music and sound effects to Artlist Max with everything you need, Artlist is the place to go. If you want to get 2 months for free on your annual subscription, check out the link below. Thank you to Artlist for supporting the channel, and back to the video. Hey, thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. If you want to pick up this battery or the Power 500, the smaller version of it, check out the links in the description below. Make sure you get the right product and help support the channel at the same time. That's gonna be about it, and I'll see you in the next video.